I love your shoes, very nice shoes. This is the god of the nation, it's the sacred god for wisdom and learning, yeah. Oh, look at the king cobra, yeah. Also the most venomous snake, yeah. Okay, now let's move on, okay. Now keep your eyes open, look at the left, look at the right, you see. Oh, big leaf and small leaf. And tall trees and small trees and what else? Oh, crocodiles, yeah. Those are very big crocodiles, yeah. Don't worry, yeah. We have trained them to stay perfectly still, yeah. Okay, now, next, yeah.
That's
ready?
cool.
You ready? Oh. Yeah, okay, I want to oh, look at what is that? A handgun! Oh, yeah! Okay, now, and how about zebra? You like zebras? I love zebras, okay? Now, you know the difference between us? Well, let me show you. Female zebras, okay? White. Male zebras, black with white stripe, yeah? Oh, very, very good, yeah. Okay, now let's... Elephant and dog. Right behind you.
Just sitting around trying to capture everything.
Oh, my favorites. Ah, the hippopotamus. Now we're supposed to weigh about 6,000 pounds. Oh, it's coming your way now. Oh, behind you. Okay, now you never want to argue with rhino. No arguing with rhino, you know. Always get his point across in the end. Alright. Uh-oh. Be quiet. Uh-oh. I think we are going into the headhunter territory now. So you better keep your hands on your head. Everyone put your hands on your head right now. Yes, that's good. Very, very good. Just like these, okay? Now put your hands on your head. Okay, don't let go and don't let them take it away. Otherwise you'll become one of them, you see. Even though they look just like me, yeah? Oh. Okay, now everyone, it's time to get there! Okay, now touch your head. Your head's still connected. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay, now let's go home, shall we? Thank you very, very much for coming, guys. I hope to see you all again in the near future, yeah? Now let's go all the way back. Hello, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Okay, thank you. Oh no, what is going on here? Okay. I know. It must be the canyon of the god. Yes, the canyon of the god. Oh no, the canyon of the god. That's right. The fire god. Everybody go. Okay, now feel your skin, yeah? Oh, very bouncy, yeah? Oh, very good. Free steam treatment for everybody, yeah? It's all included in your package. Yes, very good. Now let's say goodbye to the baby elephants, yeah? Shall we? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby elephants. Bye-bye. Okay, now finally, everyone sit down, please. Okay, now keep your hands inside. Thank you very much. Okay, hands inside. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
It's okay. Now, thank you very much. Now you can always remember my name is Anton. And come back for me if you have time, yeah? And I'm gonna be here for the rest of my life, yeah? Now make sure you have all your personal belongings and don't leave anything behind, okay, yeah? Especially your children, because you know what I'll do with them? I will send them to It's a Small World. And they will have to sing the song over and over and over and over and over again. It's a small world after all. Okay, my voice is now completely stopped. See you next time. Bye. Thank you, thank you. Oh, by the way, just to let you know, there's an exit in the back. You can also use the rear exit if you like. Yeah. It's much more convenient for some of you. Yeah. Otherwise, you can use the side exit. Thank you very much. See you next time. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bye-bye. Okay, please.